So in example 4 here, we're going to use the graphs to evaluate the expression. So this will be similar to using the table, except we're just going to come from the x value up to the graph, appropriate graph, and hit and go over to find the y value. So for example, f circle g at 1 is f of g of 1. So we first have to find the inside g of 1. So we're going to start from x equal 1. The red function is the g, so we're going to come down here and go across. So it looks like g of 1 is about negative 0.5. So this is f plug in negative 0.5. And now to evaluate that, we start at x equals negative 0.5, about right here. Go up to our function and over, and we're at height 4. So that's 4. Okay, why don't you try this one? Pause the video for just a second and try and work that one out. Okay, so f of 3, we're going to start from x equal 1 to 3. We don't go up here because there's an empty circle. We've got to come down to hit the graph of the function and go across. So we're at height negative 2. So this is g plug in negative 2. So now start at x equals negative 2 right here. Come down to your function g and across. You're at about negative 1.5. And g of f of 4. So that's g plug in f of 4. So f of 4, work from the inside. So we go across to x equal 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come down to our function f, go across. We're at height negative 1. So this is g plug in negative 1. So now start at negative 1 on the x-axis. We go down to the function g. Oh, there's an open circle there. G is not defined at negative 1. There's no circle that's in line with negative 1. So this is undefined. So it does not exist. G of 4. So g circle g. So that's g plug in g of 4. So start at x equal 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go up to the function g and over. So we are pretty close to 1, probably 0.9. So this is g plug in 0.9 approximately. So now if we start at 0.9, go down to the function g and over about negative 0.6 maybe, approximately. A little bit of estimating there. So that's function values from the graph.